Okay sis, so I came to slay your life real quick. We about to do a quick unboxing video on camera. Hopefully this is a success because I haven't done one of these in a minute. The last wig from this line did not disappoint, so hopefully this one is another hit. This is yet another unit sent from divatress.com. I'll leave all links down below in the description box, as well as on the screen the coupon code, so you can save some coin on this wig if you're interested, or any other wig from their website. I have her in the style Kristia, and it's from their Vixen lace wig collection line. It is a Swiss lace front unit in the color number 1B. So this is pretty much how your wig is going to come packaged. So let's just slip her out. Like, let's not even waste time, sis, because I want to know if this is a slay or not. Because Riley, the one I just posted, after you finish this video, go watch that one, because girl, that was a slay. So it comes with your typical you know, synthetic packaging. You got your netting, you got your stuffing, and yada 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 yada. So yep, it's constructed the same way. It comes with these ponytails. Because it's black, you know, you can't really see, but it comes with these ponytails already sectioned off for you guys. It has some really nice baby hairs. Y'all see that? Look at that hairline. It looks really natural. Here's the lace, and the cap construction is the same way. So you have two combs in the middle, two combs in the side, two combs on the side, and a comb in the back with adjustable straps. You have a lace in the nape area, and I believe, yep, it comes with the baby hairs as well in the nape area, so you can wear this in a high ponytail if you want to. Like, this wig is secured with all these combs, so if you like to use the combs, if you like to utilize the combs, then this one got you, sis. So once again, this is the lace. It is a medium, I guess it's a medium brown transparent color, and it is soft lace. This is her curl straight out of the package. Really soft. Like, that's what I can say first about this wig. It's really soft, but y'all know the wigs be super soft when you get her straight out of the package. So girl, let me not even front, okay? We all know that. The test of times is when you wear her a couple of times. Like, is she gonna act up or not? Like, are we gonna have a hot girl summer or not with this wig? So I feel like I can already tell she's gonna give you some layers and some bang action. I feel like this is gonna be a pop and flip over. Like, yes, like, y'all see how she got her flipped over right here? You know, my lighting is doing something, you know, like, and I just got it, you know, correct back this way. So you know what, I ain't even gonna mess with it. I ain't gonna mess with it. But I'll give you a closer look of how the model on the stock card looks like. But it does come with your key instruction. She is available in a lot of different color choices, and you can use heat on this wig up to 400 degrees. So I can already tell she is pretty long. So if you're into long, gorgeous units, then definitely stay tuned. I'm getting ready to switch out my wig, but let me give you a closer look of how the parting space looks. It's really clean. As far as if you want to wear her up in a high ponytail, I like the fact that it's super clean. All you have to do is add your powder to it, and you should be good to go. So yeah, I'm about to switch out my wig real quick. But girl, this one is serving. Like, this one is serving. Okay, all right, because like, this one is definitely serving realness right now. We feeling ourselves today, okay? I know the favorite saying, new wig, who this? Like, because we about to act up. Now, I thought the last one was a hot girl summer wig, but no, this is definitely hot girl summer vibe. So I have to be quick with this one, but I do not want to rush this video. My camera is dying, but I don't want to rush y'all, because girl, the tea that I am spilling right now with this wig, everything, this is shalit, this is shapopping, like, hands down, this is sexy. Like, I don't know which one is better, Riley or what's her name again, Kristia. This is very subtle, classic, classy look, and I am loving this wig. So I did end up styling mine as a right side part, and I did utilize some of the baby hairs and added some powder to the parting space, but I did not utilize I did not use my curling wand. But once I do, I will flatten out this part right here, flatten out this portion right here, so the part will lay a lot more flatter. But you can rock this straight out of the package, so I haven't manipulated the wig with any heat whatsoever. I want to say about 24 to 26 inches long on me, and you do have slight layering with this wig. Of course, I did get some resistance, so you are going to get some tangling as well as shedding. At first I thought this wig was going to be super thin, but no honey, like sis, they did not play with the density. I feel like it's at a perfect density. I don't feel any spacing or any tracks. It is big head friendly. The luster is really natural in this unit. It doesn't have a high shine. It doesn't look fake. It doesn't look plastic looking. It doesn't look synthetic. So comment down below and tell me what you guys think. Is Kristia a slay or not? Did we should slay her? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you once again for sending me out this unit to review on my channel for you guys right here. So definitely check out divatrust.com. I'll leave a direct link to this unit if you'd like to purchase this wig, as well as a direct link to their website, and you can purchase any wig. Use the coupon code that I'm going to leave on the screen as well as the description box. So subscribe, click that bell to be notified every time I upload, like and share this video. Check out some of my other videos if you have not already, and I'll talk to you guys later in my next one. Bye you guys.